Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you want to monitor your Mac CPU, RAM, temperature, battery network and disk activity all from the menu bar, there's a powerful app you should know about. It's called iStat Menus. In this video, I will show you what iStat Menus is, its most useful features, how to install and set it up on your Mac, and whether it's actually worth using. Let's get started. First open the browser and now here search for iStat Menus for Mac and press enter. Now you can see here the official website iStat Menus Bjango. Simply click on the link. Now scroll down. Now you can see here the download button. Click on the download button. As you can see, the download is started. Simply drag the app to the desktop. Now let's open the app. Simply double click on the app. Then click on open. As you can see, it is preparing installing components. Then if you want to install helper, it is an extra features including process monitoring, fan control and more. If you want to install it, click on install, provide your Mac password and then click on install helper. Now as you can see on the menu bar about the app, this is the interface of the app. You can see here the CPU monitoring. Okay, iStat Menus can show your current processor usage directly in the menu bar. You can see overall CPU usage and depending on the configuration, more detailed information and about individual processes and CPU activity. And memory management, you can see here iStat Menus can display your RAM usage and gives you a quick overview of how much memory your Mac is currently using. Temperature monitoring, SSD, CPU, everything you can see directly from the menu bar. You can see here the CPU, about CPU, GPU. Okay, temperature monitoring, fan, power, the upload download speed of the internet, the SSD, the drives, how much storage are consumed, CPU activity, how much CPU usage is taking the apps, and the memory. And that's iStat Menus for Mac. It gives you an easy way to monitor your Mac's performance and hardware information without constantly opening separate utilities. From CPU and RAM to temperatures, networks and disk activity, battery and more, everything can be available right from your menu bar. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more Mac tutorial. Thank you for watching.